Why is powder coating so hard to learn? What does the future of powder coating look like? Maybe this man knows. We explore this through his humble beginnings and talk about the broader industry. I sit down with Joey Gulliver from PowderX, who can tell you it's problematic. But that doesn't stop people from lining up to hear what he has to say or find out in his powder coating course. After all, he is the face of custom coating. He offers training and equipment for people that want to start a powder coating business, bring powder coating in-house, and grow an existing business. Today, we're all going to be PowderX students. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.